Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into an amazing open source project called FFAIVideo. This is not just a simple tool, it's a powerful Node.js based project that allows you to create short videos using AI models like OpenAI GPT. We are going to cover everything from installation, configuration, how the code works, and real-world use cases. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use this tool to its full potential. So what exactly is FFAIVideo? It's a simple terms, it's a Node.js library that uses AI to generate videos from a script you provide. It automates tasks like text-to-speech conversion, adding subtitles, background music, and even fetching visuals from pixels. Here are a few highlights, okay? So it's AI-powered automations you can generate videos based on text scripts. You got customizable subtitles, control font, size, color, and position. You can add the background music, add or adjust music tracks for polished final products, and it's fully cross-platform. Runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. AI model flexibility means that it works with multiple AI providers like OpenAI, Moonshot, and GPT-4. Imagine how useful this can be for content creators, businesses, or even developers building apps that need quick video generation. Start with installation. FFAIVideo is built for Node.js, so make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. You will also need FFmpeg as its backbone for video processing. Okay, once this is all done, you need to open your terminal and run using npm install FFAIVideo. Okay, so this will download and install the package alongside with its dependencies. Okay, and also before we start, you need to go and obtain your API keys. First, you will need to go and visit Pexels API to get a free API key for fetching video resources, and also you need to go to your API provider if you are using OpenAI, Moonshot, or others to make sure to sign up and obtain their API keys. Okay, and now we can move on into the understanding the code. So now that we have set this up everything, okay, let's look into it. All right, so here is an example script that generates a video using FFAIVideo. So you can import, after the importing libraries, we first import FFAIVideo, use its main functionality and path for managing file paths. Okay, then you can go and you can do the configuration object. So the main function generate video takes a configuration object. Let's break it down its key parts. So it's a provider. So you specify the AI provider here. OpenAI is configured with its API key and base URL. Subtitles control how subtitles are displayed using options like subtitle max width and text customization options. With the background music, you can do the path to the music file that plays during the video. And Pexels API used to fetch free video clips based on keywords generated by the AI. Alright, so video scripts. This script is a simple text input that drives everything. AI analyzes it to create a video. Callbacks. The progress callback logs the progress of the video generation. Once completed, the video path is returned. Now after this, we just need to go and we need to type node generate video.js to generate the code. Okay, and after that we have a full version of customization options. Okay, we can change AI models, switch providers to Moonshot, GPT-3 or others by adjusting the provider field and adding the relevant API configuration. We can do and adjust fonts and subtitles, okay, by use those comments, okay, like font size, font name, text color, stroke color options to style subtitles. Okay, we can also do the debugging, all right, and also we can add the background music volume. Okay, and that's all fully customizable here on inside this project. Okay, well, so for the use cases, okay, so where you can use this FFAIVideo, you can use it for if you are a content creator. Okay, you can automate YouTube shorts or short media clips. You can use it for e-learning purposes, generate instructional videos with subtitles and voiceovers, and also for marketing purposes like quickly create promotional material based on the scripts. Okay, so that's what FFAI video is. Okay, a powerful, lightweight Node.js library that leverages AI for video creation. Whether you are a developer, content creator, or just experimenting with AI tools, this project is worth exploring. Links to the GitHub repository and documentations are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dive into your cutting edge tools. Let me know in the comments if you are use FFAI video or have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.